Is it true that some employees have an unfair advantage at work today?
Yes, the ones who know how to use AI.
That's interesting. Why is this happening?
Because today, the biggest difference between employees is how they use AI.
What kind of impact do they have?
Massive. Employees using ChatGPT, automation, prompt engineering are delivering faster, better, and more results consistently.
And that directly affects salary?
Absolutely. When you create more value in less time, companies are willing to pay more.
So, how can someone start?
You can simply join the 3-hour AI Tools workshop by Be10x. Here you are taught how to use ChatGPT properly, prompt engineering, and other powerful key AI tools which every professional should know. The sooner you learn this, the faster you grow. So register for this workshop by clicking on the link below. Hurry, the seats are limited.
Unlock your success with Be10x.